Yeah. What the fuck? You do like a squirrel. He like licks the fucking glass. Trooper, come back over here. Like he's gonna lick the glass.
Holy crap. Are you really recording it?
Yeah, why not?
This is like Adam's book.
It's funny.
Open a little bit, act like you're in letterman.
Nah,
Right there.
don't do it.
Trooper. Trooper. He hates his life so much right now.